Laurence, Backer here from Mitcham Way. Hey, Laurence.
How you going, Melbourne?
Good, good. So you come down from Sacred Hearts today?
Yeah, I have taken the morning off school to come get my bullet.
Good, good.
Yeah.
All cleared okay?
Oh, perfect. I'm very happy with it, yeah.
You are?
Yep.
Well, so you should be. You had a great drive?
Yeah, great drive. Great instructor, by the way, though. Give me all the tips I need.
Well, you have been, because you first came here about a year ago.
Yep, a year ago. Wasn't too good with the rules, but
yep,
you definitely helped me out with all the notes and the tips, and
excellent.
I don't think I would have passed without your help, yeah.
Oh, that's terrific, mate.
Definitely.
Good to see you come back, and you've rewarded yourself with your pass now,
yep.
So you can get on your way.
Thank you very much, though.
Excellent. What would you like to say to the other students looking around for a driving school or slogging it out?
This is the one. If I wouldn't recommend any other one.
Why?
Because Carmen gives the best tips that no one else gives for the money. He does it for the people and for the test, not for getting money.
No.
He wants to make safe drivers.
Mm-hmm.
And I always think he prides himself on that. That's what I like about him. He's tough, but he's stern, and he's always got to the point.
Yeah.
He knows what he's talking about, though.
Yeah, good.
I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know last time we had a guy over and he'd wasted 40 or 50 lessons.
Yeah, you showed me
Wow.
that.
Yeah, did you see that video?
Ridiculous.
Incredible, mate. 40 or
lesson.
50 lessons, a poor guy, and he learnt more here in an hour and a half than what he did in 40 or 50 lessons.
Well, this is the place to learn it.
Well, we'd like to think so, and look, all the best in your studies and your future.
Thank you.
And certainly enjoy your driving.
Thank you very much.
Okay, all the best, mate. See you, Laurence.
See ya.